My name is Mark Hamlin. I've been working online full time for just about 12 years. It's been an amazing experience. It's really has helped my family and I to have some amazing experience, travel around the world, and to meet some great people. But over the next few minutes, I want to have a conversation with you about cars. Is that okay? Cars are an expensive necessity. Would you agree with that? And would you agree that the cost to own and operate a car has increased significantly over the last few years, especially since COVID? So, with that in mind, if there was an innovative way for you and I to drive a nice car at little cost to you, or a way to get the money to pay for a nice car, or a way to get the money to pay off your car loan, would you want to know about it, ladies and gentlemen? Well, that's what this call is all about. Now, some people, when you tell them these things, very much like, the video we just saw, when something is new, people don't see the vision. And so when people first hear this conversation, they might say things like, sounds too good to be true, or what's the catch, or where is the money coming from? Now, when someone says that to me, I ask them a couple of questions. I say, do you have car insurance? And how much money do you pay every month for that car insurance? Now, if you were to total loss your car, where would the money come from in order to replace it? Okay, because you're paying $100 a month, for example, and let's say you have a $40,000 car, where is that money going to come from? Most people don't know the answer. Well, we know that the insurance company is collecting insurance from other people, and that creates a fund. And so the money comes from that fund. You paid $100 a month toward it, but the bulk of the money is not coming from you. It's coming from that fund. In other words, other people who are paying for insurance. That's what I want you to understand here. We're going to talk to you about a car club subscription, ladies and gentlemen. And so when people ask, how is a car club subscription able to help people? Think auto insurance in reverse, so to speak. Where do insurance companies get the funds to replace cars when they are total loss? There's a term, it's called subrogation. Simply put, auto insurance companies recover the money it pays on claims from other insured drivers. And although our car club subscription is not insurance, ladies and gentlemen, the funds to help qualify people with cars come from paid subscriptions. It is really that simple. It's disruptive, it's innovative, and it's a better way to do transportation. With that said, let's get right into it. I'd like to welcome all of you to My Car Club. It's all about putting you and I behind the wheel of our dream cars. Now, I do want to read a brief disclaimer. What is My Car Club? It is a subscription-based car club with referral incentives. It may require significant effort and dedication to achieve success, and results may vary based on various factors, including individual effort. Furthermore, the company does not guarantee the success of any individual, nor does the company make any promises or representations about potential earnings or profits. Any earnings or income statements made by the company or any of its affiliates are solely for informational purposes and are not guarantees of actual earnings. With that said, let's get right into it. First thing I want to show you the numbers of people who have already qualified within this program in order to get cars, ladies and gentlemen. It started in the UK, in Birmingham, with the first 3 qualifiers on the 30th of April, and then it went on to United States, South Africa, Jamaica, and the UK. It hasn't stopped there. Many other people are qualifying, and many people are at the door of qualifying right now. So let's go ahead and break this down. The thing you should understand is that My Car Club is not just about getting a car. It's about lifestyle freedom and lifestyle choices. Imagine how your lifestyle could improve if you could save money on transportation costs and have secondary monthly income. You could potentially pay off your debt, ladies and gentlemen, those mortgages, those credit cards, those auto loans, those student loans, get a lot of pressure off of you, maybe even take a well-needed vacation, do those home improvements, start a business, improve your retirement situation, and even pay for college tuition. So now, people say, what are the services and what are the benefits of this subscription? First of all, you will have access to an amazing mobile app, ladies and gentlemen, that's available in the Google Play Store and the Apple Store right now. This is going to give you access to your membership information. It's going to have updated information. It's going to enable you to manage your teams. You're going to be able to manage your subscription, buy vouchers through this app, withdraw your commissions, contact support. There's a media gallery, and there's also push notifications to keep you up to date with all the things that are going on in this amazing community and to enable you to communicate with your team members. In addition to that, It's all about training, ladies and gentlemen. Part of your car club subscription is a ton of training. First of all, you're going to learn mindset training, entrepreneur training. Are you with me? Team building training. And we have a special training tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You absolutely want to be on that. In addition to that, the owners and the founders of the company actually come on every week, and they're very transparent to give us updates and to train and to teach us. Also, we've got some amazing social media training by Miss Louise Marks that will help you learn how to brand yourself, how to expand any other business or endeavor that you are involved in. This training alone is worth much more than the subscription that we pay every month. In addition to that, you'll have access to be able to order a branded MyCarClub Visa crypto card. You know, cryptocurrency is the future, ladies and gentlemen. You'll be able to load multiple cryptocurrencies on this card. You'll be able to load your earnings, shop online, shop in stores, use ATM machines to get cash, and also use this Visa wherever Visa is accepted. In addition to that, there are many things coming down the road, ladies and gentlemen. The model is constantly being enhanced and improved. Of course, we have access to our membership cards. There are 2 memberships, Basic and Platinum. We'll talk about Platinum in a moment. Coming down the road, it's all types of educations concerning cars, ladies and gentlemen, by way of newsletters and also an academy. You'll be hearing more about that down the road. In addition to that, you'll be able to save on car-related events and shows, and you'll be invited to private Zooms where you learn things such as how to detail your cars, how to do minor repairs, and how to use those amazing onboard computers that many of the cars have in them today. Now let's talk about the opportunity to get a luxury car and earn monthly residual income. So first of all, these funds and this system can be used for a motorcycle, a van, an electric car, a gas car, an SUV, all right? All you have to do is literally gas it up, charge it up, and drive it. We're talking about a luxury car of your choice valued at up to $40,000. There is a fair usage policy that applies here in terms and conditions. Now, the thing you need to understand, these cars, these are company fleet vehicles. That's why the insurance is taken care of, the maintenance, the road tax, and the breakdown coverage. That's all inclusive. But maybe you want something a little different. So instead of getting the fleet car, you could take $1,000 a month. The company will pay you that. You can do what you need to do with that. Maybe you have a car payment. You can use that $1,000 to pay that loan off faster and potentially save yourself lots of interest. So lots of versatility here to help you get to the next level concerning your transportation and your life. So now, what does it take to get started? There is a one-time account setup fee of $165. Right now, it is discounted through the end of July. And once you pay your monthly subscription, you'll pay the first month subscription up front. All you need to get started is $143. Now, this can be paid right now by cryptocurrency. It can also be paid with a voucher that you can get from the person who invited you. And we're hoping very soon to have a new payment processor to use a debit and credit cards. We'll keep you informed as to the progress on that. So now let's talk about the Platinum membership, because membership has its privileges, and you can subscribe for an entire year and you can save money. Instead of paying $396 for the year, you only pay $360 plus your sign-up fee. That's only $470. You've got the entire year covered, and you will become a Platinum member. The benefits are 20% savings on merchandise, 20% savings on event tickets. You'll save on 20% on all charges, and you get an upgraded back office with some amazing features. The person who invited you can tell you more about those features, including that card with a QR code landing page on the back and your contact information. All right. Everybody say refer a friend. Maybe you've heard of referral programs. There are plenty of them out there. Some of them you might recognize on the screen. And that's when you simply refer someone to a product or service. Well, MyCarClub has a phenomenal referral program. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So first of all, put yourself in a position to qualify for the car. The first thing that you want to do is personally refer at least 3 subscribers. When you do that, you will earn $55 per referral, ladies and gentlemen. And so in this case, if you refer 3, that would be $165. You only paid $143 to join. So guess what? You are already in profit just that fast. And if you refer them within the first 30 days, you will earn a $110 fast track bonus for a total of $275 right from the very beginning. That's the goal. When you do that, you have already won, ladies and gentlemen. And every time you refer someone, that's an additional $55, which is paid daily. So now you've got some additional cash flow coming in to help you and your family accomplish your goals. Now, from there, what you want to do is build teams, ladies and gentlemen. And you want to make sure that the people you refer know exactly what you did, how you did it, so they can duplicate it and also make 275 coming right out the gate. This is the foundation of everything that we do. But from that point on, we're going to duplicate that throughout our communities. And when you go out and you simply build a team of 20, with each member building a team of 20, which for a total of 60 members, guess what? You become what we call a junior champion, and you're now earning $300 a month residual. The best part is that you are now halfway to qualifying for the car. And to do that, we just continue doing what we're doing, building these teams out. So we have 120 subscribers. Now you can refer them all to yourself, but it's better to build them as a team because teamwork makes the dream work, ladies and gentlemen. It's much easier that way, and that's what we teach. So now, when you have 120 subscribers in your team, guess what? You now are what we call a champion, and you are qualified for the luxury car. Now, if it stopped right there, that would be great, ladies and gentlemen, but that's just the beginning, because once you get the car, do you think it'll be a little easier to share the program with others because now you've got the social proof? Absolutely. And as your team continues to grow to 240 subscribers, not only do you have the car, but you've got $1,500 a month in residual income. And as your team continues to grow to 360 subscribers, you go from 1,500 to 4,000. And when it grows to 480 subscribers, you go from 4,000 a month to $7,000 a month. And when you have just 600 subscribers in your team, ladies and gentlemen, you're now at $10,000 a month in addition to the car. If it stopped there, that could be life-changing because you've got your rent covered, potentially your mortgage, your bills, and now you can even consider changing your zip code if that's what you want to do. But the most important thing is that you have already won, ladies and gentlemen. And to ensure that everyone wins, the company has created something called the no claim bonus. I've got a short 1-minute video that explains. Let's watch this video.
MyCarClub.com No Claim Bonus. No Claim Bonus is designed to create a win-win scenario for people who have not yet achieved the car bonus. If you have not qualified for the car by the end of year 2, the company gives you 2 options. You can either take a holiday or qualify for the car with just 99 people instead of 120. The good part is that even when you take holiday, you don't lose the people you have signed up with in your team. Just that criteria remains 120. Upon completion of year 3, the company gives you 2 options again. You can either take a luxury holiday or reduce the criteria further and get your car with just 90 people. It gets even easier. At the end of year 4, you can qualify for a car with 78 people only, or take a resort holiday. Finally, at the end of year 5, you can either get a holiday for 2 or reduce your criteria to just 50%. That means you can qualify for your luxury car by just referring 1 person a month, 60 people in 60 months. And this means almost everyone can qualify for a car.
Very good. So to summarize, if you simply refer just 1 person a month, ladies and gentlemen, in 60 months, you could still qualify for a car. Now, I talked about when you became the Champion 100, meaning you've built that community of 600 subscribers and you're earning $10,000 a month and you have the car, that is actually just the beginning, ladies and gentlemen, because you're now qualified to earn matching bonuses. And when anyone in your team, no matter how big your team grows, becomes a Champion 40, meaning they're earning $4,000 a month, you will earn a 50% matching bonus or an additional $2,000 a month. And when anyone in your team becomes a Champion 70, meaning they're earning $7,000 a month, you will earn a 50% match or an additional $3,500 per month. And when anyone in your team reaches Champion 100, you will earn an additional $5,000 a month in addition to what you are earning right now. I just want you to think about this. This is all designed to inspire us to help those who have joined us, ladies and gentlemen. When they go up, we go up, and that's the way it should be. Imagine that you have 5 people qualified at champion 40, 5 people qualified at champion 70. Just imagine what that could do for you and your family. Now, if that's not good enough, here's another added advantage. When you become a champion 100, you are now able to build another new team of 120 members. What does that mean? You can qualify for a second car. So you can have 2 cars, or you can get 1 car equal to the value of both cars. You could be driving a supercar. And when that second position becomes a champion 70, that's an additional $7,000 a month. When it becomes a champion 100, that's an additional $10,000 a month. Pull out your calculator, start adding, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully you can see the income potential with this program is absolutely life-changing. Now, to support you, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a tremendous amount of training. Starting tomorrow, we will start our champion success training, ladies and gentlemen. It's about mindset. It's about team building. It's about entrepreneurship, teaching you better ways to leverage this platform to help you to accomplish your goals. That's every Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It will be recorded. Now, by the way, we're actually doing it twice tomorrow. That was actually the plan. Now, I have to take a look because I'm actually going to be on the road at 12 tomorrow. We were going to do one tomorrow at 12. It looks like we're not going to be able to do that. So we're only going to do the 8 p.m. tomorrow. It will be recorded for those of you who are in different time zones. All right. Everybody say Atlanta. We're really excited, ladies and gentlemen, because My Car Club is headed to Atlanta on Friday, August the 4th, and Saturday, August the 5th, at the 4-star Whitley Hotel, awesome hotel out there in Buckhead, Atlanta. And so if you haven't registered yet, ladies and gentlemen, you absolutely want to do so. You can register at MyCarClubATL.com. Registration is free. Those costs are all incurred by the company, ladies and gentlemen, so you don't have to pay anything to attend. Simply go to MyCarClubATL.com and register tonight, ladies and gentlemen. If you plan on staying at the hotel where the event is held, there is a discounted rate. If you use this link, book a room at Whitley.com.